What does that have to do with the price of eggs, Mom? Quiet down, Mom. It's Shark Week. Shit.
Scarabs must move constantly.
Five, four, three, two, one.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special news report. A lady has been shot outside her home today at approximately 7 p.m. As of now, there are no suspects. We will now take you over to Commander Police Chief Burtskin.
Yeah, this Chief Burtskin down here at the scene of the crime where an innocent mother has been shot and killed. Come on down to the police station and get your questioning on.
This has been a special broadcast by TNH News.
Wait, this is my house. That's been my mom.
Never feed Chief Burtskin. What do you say? Shark Week.
So what the heck happened to my mom?
Sorry, son. But she had been shot and killed. Yeah, this Chief Burtskin.
What do you need?
I heard you seen a suspect.
Yes, sir, I did.
Well, can you tell me what he looked like real slow?
He had really sweatshirt.
Oh, wait a second. Gotta draw his red hooded sweater.
He had black fitted baseball cap.
Black baseball cap.
He had black sweatpants.
Black sweatpants.
He's about 6'1".
6'1".
He had black hair.
Yeah, black hair.
He had really long sideburns.
Really look sideburn right over here.
He has some hair.
Little bit of chin hair.
And he likes to talk with his pinky to his face.
He likes to dog through his pinky to his face. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
That's him right down there. Come here, sir. Where'd he go? Where the heck he go? Chief Burtskin is here!
Thank you, Chief Burtskin. Get it.
Yeah, this is Chief Bursky. You seen each other before, sir. I'm gonna ask you a couple questions. Why'd you kill her?
I didn't kill her.
When did you kill her?
I didn't kill her. I have no idea what you're talking about, sir.
Lloyd, I think you're lying to me, sir.
You think wrong, sir.
Lloyd, we're gonna have some problems on our hands if you don't tell me why you killed her.
I didn't kill her, Chief Forsky.
Lloyd, look at me in the eyes and tell me you didn't kill her.
I didn't kill her, Forsky.
I think you're lying to me.
You think wrong.
You're lying to me, Lloyd.
No,
Lloyd, tell me why you killed her.
I didn't kill her, Sir Forsky.
Yeah, just keep working. What do you say? What? Another kill. Another kill. I'll be right there.